snap, my dudes. It is 1 a.m. and I am feeling the festive vibe. There is like, what is this, day 20? I don't even know. Let's hop to the wheel. Boom, spin the wheel. I wish our colors didn't get all messed up. This is bad. We have stockings. I think this is a pretty easy model. It's basically a sock with a fluff around it. All right, guys, I just got my reference image, and just as I thought, it is a sock. But I don't want to do just the classic one. I think we're gonna do 2 different ones today, just so it's not a super short video, and so the asset pack that I'm giving to you guys, aka this one, will have just a little bit more stuff in it. So I think ideally we're gonna bring in a cube and then subdivide, because that's just gonna be the best way to do it, I think. Hop into wireframe, edit mode, grab this face, we'll drop it down, grab this one, drag it up, and this one, drag it over. Now with this, let's scale this in on the x-axis. Yeah. And now let's add a subdivision surface to it. All right. Not exactly fantastic, but we can add 2 loop cuts, which will help quite a bit, and add these 2 loop cuts as well. Let's press S and Y to scale those on the y-axis, give them a little bit more space, and we're going to do the same to these, but we'll do S and Z because it's on the z-axis, if I do say so myself. Now we're going to do Shift D, scale it down, and drop it in. We'll scale it up just a hair, and now we're going to grab this bottom face, or bottom set of faces, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to try to work out this shape. Let's grab just this face on the bottom, drag it down. Yes, we're gonna add a loop cut right here, and then we could drag this side face. We can extrude it out. So if we just extrude, as you can see, it's a very easy stocking shape. Let's scale that down just a little bit, and now shade smooth, and we have our stocking. I don't really like the top of it here, so I think what I'm gonna do is grab our line select mode, grab the whole top, scale it in a little bit. I just want it to blend a little better up here on the top side. So let's bring it up. Oh, that alone helped so much. We are going to scale it in just a little. I think that does help it blend quite a bit. And then this one, I think I'm going to try to scale it in just a little too on the top and the bottom, just to add a little bit more dimension to it. Let's scale that. Perfect. And then we're going to grab these top 3 faces, inset just a little bit, and extrude down. Just have that little spot where you can put some GIFs. Now, overall, we are going to just apply our modifiers, and I think let's join these together and shrink them once again on the x-axis, so we have more of a stocking shape, and we're going to duplicate this. Now our basic stocking right here, which we could definitely clean up quite a bit, we're going to scale this down, put it in the red. There we go. We're going to grab the top, scale it down, and put it in the white. And I wonder, can we do vertices select random? Okay, let's do LP selection, and now we're going to do select random and scale them just to give it a little bit more like shape and like character. I also want the top to be scaled out a little bit more like that. Yeah, that's fun. Now we can join those back together, slap our material on, and since we've already placed everything, it'll already be the right colors. Now for this one, I want to try to do this texture without doing the cheat way that I did in the previous video, and I don't think it'll be the worst challenge ever. Let's see. First off, the top needs to go to the red, and the bottom needs to go to a nice green. I think it's somewhere in here. Now for this portion, the only thing I can think of would be the knife tool. So we're gonna give it a shot, and I'm just gonna hope for the best. I don't know how to make that project onto the other side, so I'm just gonna go to the other side, grab the knife tool once again, and meet sort of all the same vertices. There could be an easier way to do this, but I genuinely don't know it. And now we have all those selected. Let's go ahead. Did we delete our image? Oh no, our image. Oh no, we just followed in on it. We zoomed in on it. We're all good, guys. There was a couple people in the comments on that last one that were like, bruh, don't texture like this. It's lazy. And I was like, bruh, I was trying to be lazy. There we go. Now, guys, what we're gonna do is go into this view, wireframe, press C on our keyboard, and grab all of the stuff inside each of these, and then we will color them, I believe red was the color, and I might even make a couple variations of this, just so you guys can really have fun. Oh yeah, that is fire. So we have a couple stockings here. Let's do a couple more color variations. We'll do one of each. So let's grab all of the red. This would have been, I could have done that a lot smarter of a way, but it's all good. Let's grab all of the red. There we go. And we're gonna press S and X to scale it in a little bit more and make all of these blue. And then we're gonna grab the rest of it and make it all white, which this one should already be. So let's take the green and the blue and make them white. Okay, I messed up a little bit. No worries though. We just grab all of this and put it on the blue. What's this red face right here? Let's move that. There we go, guys. And I think that's gonna wrap it up. That's the stockings. It is a very simple and easy video to do, but I am proud of how these turned out. And when we get to the snow roll, we'll build a snowflake that we could even put on these, just like the picture. But guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.